Hi, I'm Sarah, film and television editor, but I also have a side baking business called Lucky Treats.
Boop, 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 boop.
I love to have a delicious cup of coffee every morning, and I'm always looking for that perfect treat to go with it. So today, I'm gonna bake up a super easy but super delicious strawberry bread, which goes perfectly with a delicious cup of joe to make your morning just right. Let's start baking. Preheat oven to 350. Hull and quarter a pint of strawberries. Choppity chop chop, choppity chop, boop. Choppity chop chop, choppity chop, boop. Place strawberries in a small saucepan. You can mash the strawberries after you cut them, but I prefer to let them soften and I mash them in the saucepan. Bring the strawberries to a boil over medium heat. Cook and stir them for 1 minute. Set those strawberries aside. Whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, and salt. Whisk, 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 whiskey, whisk, whisk, whisk. Cream together the butter, sugar, and eggs. Make them light and fluffy. Make them light and fluffy. With the mixer on low, add the flour mixture, but alternate it with 1/3 cup water. Begin and end with the flour. Fold in the cooked strawberries. Foldy fold fold, foldy fold fold. Boop-a-doop boop, boop-a-doop boop. Butter an 8x4-inch loaf pan. Scrape the batter into prepared pan. Bake for 50 to 60 minutes. Ooh, doesn't that look delicious? Strawberry bread is done. Shall we give it a taste? Now for the best part, tasting it. So good. So moist, so delicious. This is gonna be perfect with my cup of coffee in the morning. Feel free to follow me on Instagram at lucky.treats. Happy baking!